So I'm going to challenge Charlie to do some stuff today. Oh, she doesn't know what I did. Yeah, okay, what if I don't, just in case, because I don't know what you can do.
Look how beautiful I am today. I'm so self-centered. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, Charlie. What do I gotta do? You gotta jerk. Really? You gotta jerk, yeah. Here, and I'll do it too. Here. I know what to do first.
Here, wait. Okay.
I don't think. What are you doing? I can't jerk. Okay, I can't jerk either. But here, I'll do it. Stop. There, try. Oh my God! It looks so funny. I can't jerk. Okay. Come on, Charlie. What are you doing? She's like, her legs are. Like that. I can't jerk. Okay. Let me turn the camera to where they see you.
I can't jerk today.
Today? When could you? No, I'm just kidding. Totally joking.
I can do it yesterday.
Yeah. We need intermission or something. Till she comes.
I can't jerk today.
We'll try it anyway.
Yeah.
I saw, but it's gonna be funny to them. Okay, here is Charlie jerking.
I can't jerk today.
No, seriously.
Yeah.
You didn't make you embarrass yourself? And it's not like in other videos I didn't. I did better before. Seriously, I'm just like, woo. Oh my God. Go. She's taking forever. What are you doing, Mommy, Daddy? Can you see? No. Oh my God. I can't drink. Okay, then. I can't drink.
Then what can you do?
Yeah, she can do this. I can't do some. Here, I'll rap for you guys since this crazy person's not doing anything. I'll get close to the camera too. Okay. Can you check how close I am to it? Or not? You good? You can see it. Oh wait. There. Yeah, you can see yourself. I can't do it. I'm gonna hold these up because they keep falling down. Okay. Got it. You're right in the center. Oh no, please leave me alone. The boys be loving me, girls be hating me. They will never stop because they know I'm so hot.
See, she's jerking.
Not really.
Wait, what? I don't know what I'm doing.
See, she's trying, but she's failing. I can't either, so it's okay.
No, I just like go like that. That's not drinking.
Okay. Next video time. How do you stop it? I don't know how.